Learn Puppet Pin Tool the easy way. Puppet Pin Tool is used to transform text and image. It is mostly used in body parts rigging animation. Create a text layer. Scale and align the text. Click the Puppet Pin tool. Click one letter or more.
Hold-click the dot and drag it.
Click the arrow on the text layer. Then Effects, Puppet, Mesh 1. Click Deform and Puppet Pin 1. This tool changes the position of text. Try to change the value. Once the tool was used, a keyframe automatically appears. Move the time indicator forward. Change the value of the position. Play the motion. Select the start and end keyframe.
Select Keyframe Assistant.
Click Easy Ease. This tool helps us to make a smooth motion. Select the Puppet Starch Pin tool. Apply it to the text. Also, add a Puppet Position Pin tool. This tool applies to area that you don't want to get deformed. That is why it doesn't have a stopwatch. Let's try to move the dots. The red dot is the Puppet Starch Pin tool. If we try to move it, it won't move. Let's try Puppet Rotation Pin tool. In here, we can change the scale and rotation of the text. Simply click and hold the square to scale. Hold-click the red circle to add rotation. Now, let's add another keyframe. Try this on your laptop or PC.
Try this on your laptop or PC.
And don't forget to add. You may create your own motion style. Observe the motion you've made. Add easy ease to smoothen the motion. Let's try Puppet Rotation Pin Tool. In here, we can change the position, scale, rotation of the text. Create your own motion style. Then, observe the motion you've made.